Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to study English in a fun and stress-free way. Learning a new language can feel hard, but it doesn't have to be stressful. We will talk about simple tips and tricks to make learning English easy and enjoyable. By the end of this video, you will know how to practice English without feeling worried or tired. Let's get started! Why learning English should be fun. Learning English is like learning to play a game or a musical instrument. If you enjoy it, you will learn faster and remember more. Many people feel stressed when they think about grammar rules, vocabulary, or speaking with others. But the truth is, you don't need to be perfect to learn English. The key is to have fun and practice a little every day. Tip 1. Start with what you love. One of the best ways to learn English without stress is to use things you already enjoy. For example, if you like music, listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. If you enjoy movies or TV shows, watch them in English with subtitles. If you love reading, find simple books or articles in English. When you use things you love, learning feels like a hobby, not homework. You won't even notice you're studying. Tip 2. Set small goals. Big goals can feel scary. Instead of saying, I want to speak English fluently, start with small, easy goals like learn 5 new words every day. Practice speaking for 5 minutes with a friend. Write 1 short sentence in English. Small goals are easier to achieve and they will make you feel proud of your progress. Tip 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Instead of feeling embarrassed, think of mistakes as a way to improve. For example, if someone corrects your grammar, say, "Thank you," and try to remember the right way for next time. Tip 4. Practice every day. You don't need to study for hours every day. Even 10-15 minutes of practice can help. Here are some easy ways to practice daily. Listen to an English podcast while cooking or cleaning. Label objects in your house with their English names. Talk to yourself in English about your day. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Tip 5. Use technology. There are many apps and websites that can help you learn English in a fun way. Some popular ones are Duolingo, a game-like app for learning vocabulary and grammar. YouTube. Watch videos about topics you like in English. Hello Talk. Chat with native English speakers. These tools make learning interactive and enjoyable. Tip 6. Find a study buddy. Learning with a friend can make studying more fun and less stressful. You can practice speaking together, quiz each other on vocabulary, or even watch English movies together. Having someone to share your journey with can keep you motivated. Tip 7. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. Don't compare yourself to others or feel bad if you don't understand everything right away. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Remember, every word you learn is a step closer to your goal. Tip 8. Make English part of your life. The more you surround yourself with English, the easier it will be to learn. Here are some ideas. Change the language on your phone to English. Follow English-speaking social media accounts. Join online communities or forums where people speak English. When English becomes part of your daily life, you'll learn without even trying. Tip 9. Use your senses. Learning with your senses can help you remember better. For example, listen to English audio to improve your listening skills. Write down new words to help your memory. Say words out loud to practice pronunciation. Using different senses makes learning more interesting and effective. Tip 10. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks and relax. If you feel tired or frustrated, stop for a while and do something you enjoy. Learning should never feel like a punishment. When you come back, you'll feel refreshed and ready to learn more. What have we learned? In this video, we talked about how to learn English without stress. We learned that learning English can be fun if you use things you enjoy. Setting small goals and practicing every day can help you improve. Mistakes are normal and part of the learning process. Using technology, finding a study buddy, and being patient are key to success. Making English part of your life and using your senses can make learning easier. Taking breaks is important to stay motivated. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Take your time, enjoy the process, and don't stress. You're doing great. Keep practicing, and soon you'll see how much you've improved. Good luck, and have fun learning English. This video is designed to help you feel confident and relaxed while learning English. If you follow these tips, you'll find that learning a new language can be a joyful and rewarding experience. See you in the next video.